entertainment. Woo, woo. Homeschool entertainment. Woo, woo. Homeschool entertainment. Woo, woo. Homeschool entertainment. Woo, woo. It's time, it's time, it's time, it's time. Time, it's time, it's time, it's time. It's time, it's time, it's time, it's time. Time, it's time, it's for what? Homeschool entertainment. Woo, woo. Homeschool entertainment. Woo, woo. Homeschool entertainment. Woo, woo. Homeschool entertainment. Welcome to Homeschool Entertainment, where fun equals learning and where you are great. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to finish matching the big letters to the small letters, the capital letters to the small letters, the uppercase letters to the lowercase letters. We did a little bit last time. We're going to go through those same A through L letters that we did the other day, but fast. We're going to go as fast as we can so we can get to the new letters of today, M through Z. All right, let's get started. A, that's big A, that's big B, and small a, and the small b. Okay? So from there, we're going to use what's up at the top to help us match the letters that go together. The big letters to the small letters, the capital letters to the small letters, the uppercase letters to the lowercase letters. All right? So let me put my light blue letters over here. A, I'm going to put this down. A, B, C, D, and I'm going to put my small letters on this side, and I'm going to put them in the same order. They C, A, B, D. They were in the other. C, A, B, and D. So at the bottom here, I'm going to also help you, just in case you need it. Big C and big D. Okay? Capital C, capital D. Let me find the small ones to go with them. That's small c or lowercase c, and small d or lowercase d. Okay? And I think I'm going to put these in boxes too. Whee! Whee! And up here. Everybody see that? We have A, B, C, and D. And we're going to match A to A like we did before. B goes with B. We did these before, so I'm going to go a little fast because you'll see this slowly in ABC Games 4. This is ABC Games 5. C and C, big C, little c, and D, big D, little d. Ta-da! We did it. These are the capital letters. These are the small letters. Uppercase letters, lowercase letters. And did I say capital? Big letters, small letters. Okay, so we're going to take these out, and the next set. Does anybody know what letter comes after D? What letter comes after? And I have to erase the middle because we're going to have different lines next time. So the next letter after D is E. E. Then it's F, E, and H. This is small e, small f, small g, H. Find those letters in the light blue and in the yellow. So the next letter that I'm looking for is E. right? E. Then I need F. Then I need G. Then I need H. Okay. Okay. In the same order I had before was H, E, F, G. Okay. Last show we had H, E, F, G. Okay? All right. So I hope that what I have up here helps. E goes with E. That's big E, little E. Big E, little E. I'm doing this part fast because we did these letters the other day. That would be in ABC Games 4. This is ABC Games 5. So we're going to move through this. When we get to M, we'll slow it down. All right? F, F, big F, small F. F, F. G, G, big G, small G. G, G. H, H, big H, small H. So here we are, E, F, G, and H, capital letters, small letters. I'm going to erase the line in the box because it's going to take me forever to erase these letters. And how many clicks was that? 4. If you said 4, you were right. How many again? 4 again. Yeah. Okay. What comes after H? What letter comes after H? If you said I, you are right. All right. Right. I here. Uppercase, lowercase, or big and small. J. J. We have K here. We have here. And we have L. L. And we did all the way up to here last time. So we're looking for I, J, K, L. Here's I, J, K, L. You get the yellow ones? Come on, yellow, I, J, K, L. Where are you? And last time I had K, L, I, J. Mix it up a little bit. K, L, I, J. All right? So can you see what I'm doing? I hope I'm not kind of losing some of my line here. Okay. So over here I have I and I. I and I. Bingo. You got it. Can you match? Are you helping me match? If you're learning, great. If you're matching, great. If you're paying attention, great. Thank you. Here's J and J. Big J, little j. Capital J, small j. Uppercase J, lowercase j. There's J and J also. All right, we have K and K. And there's K and K. There goes K. We have L and L. There's L and L. Did it. So we finished the letters from the last show. Let's start on the letters from this show. Remember, the last letter is L. So we have to remember what comes after L. What letter comes after L? Put your thinking caps on. What letter comes after L? Did you hear those sounds? How many? If you said 4, you are right. How many? That was 4 again. You were right. Erase the middle part. Now we're on to L. L. La, 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 la. That was the first letter. And la, 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 la. La, 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 la. I want to sing that. It's not my song, but a very famous person sang a song that had that part in it. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Okay. So let me fix some of my lines. Just using these bottom lines. We're going to use these top lines a little later. All right. So after L comes what letter? M. M. You said M. You are right. Here's uppercase M, lowercase m, then N. Up, down, up, and down, up, down. O is the circle. Next. Then we have P, down, back to the top, and around to the middle. Lowercase b does the same, just shorter. All right, and smaller. So let me find M, N, O, and P. Here they are, right here. Good, okay. Here's capital M, capital N, capital O, and capital P. I can also call these the uppercase letters. They're capital letters or uppercase, or the big ones. Okay? So I need to find my yellow letters that go with those, and I'm going to put them out. I'm going to change the order. I'm going to put N first, small n or lowercase n first. I'll put O next. Some of them are easy to match because they look so much like the bigger letters, don't they? Here's P, and here's M. Okay, so two of them right away, they look so much, they look like twins. O and P. Don't they look like the yellow letters? So those would be easy to match. The O looks just, big O looks just like small o. So let's draw a line from big O to small o. See that? They are the same letter. That's just big O and that's small o. And I noticed the P's they look the same too, don't they? One is just higher up, one is lower down. There's P. So if we can find P, one P, then we can find the other P because it looks the same, right? And there it is. P, 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 right? And then the other two are right here. Here's our clues. Here's capital M and small m, big M and small m. So if we know that this is M, we know the match looks like this. So which one is this one? Is it this one or is it that one down there? The one at the top or the one at the bottom? Let's bring them up to see. Are these the same? No. Are these the same? Yes, they're the same. They are the same, yes. So we're going to draw a line from here to here. Big M to small m. Now there's only one left, and it is the letter N. N. And this is the only one that doesn't have a line. Is that N. So we're going to draw a line from big N to small n. All right? I hope I'm not confusing you. Those of you who are just learning this, I am trying my best. I have to tell you, I recorded this video. This might be my 6th time. So we're going to take it all the way home today because I'm not recording this again. Okay, so we're done. I'm going to erase the middle and we're going to go on to the next group of letters, which would be 5 letters. So I'm going to a little bit, line a little higher so we can add a letter. I might have to go up even higher. Erasing the letters first out of the box. As I do. That's better. Pretty good. All right. So we have 4 sounds and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sounds again. All right. I like to count different things, sounds and things, and we'll see how that goes. All right. So after P, L, M, N, M, N, O, P, we did P. What comes after P? What letter comes after P? If you said Q, you are right. Ding, 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 ding. And Q looks like this. Circle with the tail. This is small q. This is the next letter, big R, small r. The next letter is big S, small s. They look exactly the same. That'll be an easy match. And then we have T. It's a line with another line across it. And here's small t, a line with another line across it. One has a line that crosses at the top, and the other one has a line that crosses in the middle. Okay, so let me put up the letters Q, R, S, and T. Okay, Q, R, S. We have one more. Do we have space for it? Let's see if we can make space for one more. These are the fibers. U. You see U goes down and up, down and up. So this is big U or capital U, uppercase U. All right. And let me get the small letters up there. So I'm going to mix it up so that we have a bit of a challenge, a bit of a game here, finding what goes with what. Let's see. I'm going to put U here. I'm going to put, oops, I have some chalk on my shirt. R, I'm going to put up at the top. S, I'm going to put at the bottom. T, I'm going to put up right above U. And there's one spot left, and that will be for the Q. Okay? Because this is a tall letter, and Q is a letter that has a tail, I'm going to put a short letter below Q. Now T has space because U doesn't have a tail. Only Q has a tail. All right, so now we have to get to matching. So we have Q and Q go together. This is uppercase Q and lowercase q, big Q, little q, capital Q, small q. They all mean the same thing. Just one is the bigger one is the smaller one. So if Q goes with this Q, then this Q must go with, where's the Q that looks like that? Is this Q? Are those the same letter? No. Is this Q? Yes, that's the one. So we're going to match this Q to that Q together in the box. So the next one is R to R. You see R and R? Do you know R and R means rest and relaxation? I see thumbs up to that right now. So that's capital R. And here it is here. So we need to find small r to match it. And look, it's all the way up at the top. You see small r up at the top right there. It's ready to rock and roll. And there's R and R for rock and roll. Boy, I'm a poet and I didn't even know it. That's called alliteration when you when you use a lot of words that begin with the same letter. So we have S up here and the other S. See, there's S and S. Don't they look the same? They're like twins. Just one is bigger and one is smaller. So um, can you find S and S, or do you need me to find it for you? Can you find the two letters that look like a snake? S and the other S? Well, here's one. You find the other one. If you said this one, you're right. We're matching the blue letters to the yellow letters, right? Okay, so we have T here. There's big T. It has a line with a cross. And there's little t that has a line with a cross. Okay, so does anybody see where the two T's are so we can match them? Hmm. Well, if you said this is T and that's the other T, you are correct. The yellow T in this box of letters has a tail that flips up. And I don't write my T's like that. I write my T's like this, just straight down and across. But there are some people that write their T's like that. But this is the more common way. This is the way most people write T when they're writing it. Okay? You don't have to get fancy with it. All right. So the last one is you and you. Now, is this not another example of two twins? Big U, little u, capital U, small u, uppercase U, lowercase u. So I may not need to help you. And plus, it's by the process of elimination. They're the last two letters that don't have a match yet. So if I told you this was big U or capital U, could you find small u? Where is the yellow small u? Hmm? If you said it's there, you are right. Whee! There we have it. Q, R, S, T, and U. And we're ready for home stretch. These are our last five letters. We're doing it. Does anybody know what the last letter of the alphabet is? What's the last letter of the alphabet? It goes. Hmm? You know what that is? What was I making? Sounds like the letter Z. If you said Z, you were right. Now, this time I'm going to make different sounds. I mean, a different number of sounds. A different number of sounds. Listen to the number. Count them. How many is that? If you said five, you are correct. Ding, 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 ding. There's another five here. Let's check. One, two, three, four, five. Look at that. Another five. Counting by listening. Isn't that neat? All right. So I'm going to just fix my board a little bit. Last five letters. We just finished with, what were the letters? Q, R, S, T, and U. Q, R, S, T, U. What letter is next after U? R, S, T, U. V. If you said V, you are right. Ding, 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 ding. Find my last blue letters. Here's the V. Here's V. You are right. V and W, X, Y, and Z. Great. These are the capital letters, B, W, X, Y, Z. And Z is the last letter of the alphabet and the last letter of this game. So let me go find the lowercase or the small letters. And I'm going to put them out of order. And this is a pretty easy one to match because they pretty much all look like the uppercase and the lowercase look almost the same, if not the same. The big letters look like the small letters. The capital letters look like the little letters, the small letters. So this will be easy. I'm not going to help you. I'm going to move slowly, and maybe you will beat me to the answer. You'll do it. You'll get the answer first before me. And I can't forget to put the matches in the boxes, but it'll be kind of silly because I'll be writing the same letter twice, basically. So we have V, big V, little v. You see that? And we have W. We have big W, little w. Beautiful. Then we have X. We have big X, little x. We have Y. We have big Y. You can do it this way or this way. They have their Y this way. Usually I write my big Y that way. So that's the way I'm going to write it. And little y. And we have big Z, soup, soup, soup. And we have little z, soup, soup, soup. Do you see how all the letters look the same? Just about. So this will be an easy match. So I'm going to move really slowly, very slowly to draw the line to match the capital letters, the big letters, which are blue, with the small letters, which are yellow. And I think you'll probably get the answer before I get to the answer. Pick up my chalk. But in the meantime, you guys can be matching in your mind, with your eyes, or with your fingers in the air, or you can touch the screen and you can do your own matching. All right? V, V. Where's the other V? That looks just like this. The yellow V. This is capital V, small v. Hey, I got it. This is W. Did you get it? This is W, capital W. Where is small w? The yellow one. That is small. Give you a hint. It goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. There's another letter that goes down, up, down, up. You got that one. You were right. And in my game, the small letters are yellow, but they could be any color. We're just talking about the shape of the letter, not the color that makes it small. All right. This is X, X, X. Big X, capital X, uppercase X. Looks like this, right? And the small x, where would it be? It has to look like this. Where's the letter that looks like this on this side? Where is it? I'm going to get there. Can you get there first? No. And here's a Y. It looks like a V at the top, and then it has a tail. Yeah. Do you see another letter that has a V and a tail? If you said it's this letter, you are right. Ding, 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 ding. And then the last letter is Z. It goes right, then goes to the side, then down to the side again. Or right, down, right. Do you see another letter that looks just like this, just smaller? And if you said this one, I gave you the answer. I wanted to go slowly and have you find it. Did you find it? Did you find it before me? I hope so. And even if you didn't, you're learning. You're looking and learning. You're paying attention. You are learning. So thank you very much. So I'm going to clean up the board. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave the board like this. Leave the board like this. And I just want to tell you that today's show is being sponsored by Where's Mikey, and you will see Where's Mikey coming soon, August 4th, Tuesday at 3 o'clock right here on Homeschool Entertainment. We're going to have a party, have fun, play games. I'm going to read the book, and we will have a giveaway.
Where's Mikey? At the door. Where's Mikey? In the kitchen. Rah! Where's Mikey? In the bathroom.
It was a pleasure to play the ABC game with you of matching the big letters to the small letters. I hope you understood what I was doing. If not, watch it again and it will get easier and easier. And if you already know how to do this, thank you for practicing with me. Till next time, bye. Thank you for today. It's time to say goodbye for now. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. See you later. It's time to say goodbye for now.